Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore how to leverage VidIQ in 2025 for your YouTube success. First, understanding YouTube trends is essential. We'll learn how to identify which niches are gaining popularity. Using VidIQ tools, we can analyze competition in trending niches. This gives us a strategic edge. Next, let's discuss effective strategies for monetizing content in these high-demand niches. Leveraging SEO features, such as keywords, is crucial to boost visibility in trending areas. Creating engaging content is key. Here are some tips for capturing and maintaining audience interest. Utilize VidIQ's analytics for continuous improvement. This ensures your content remains relevant and grows over time. Also consider alternative revenue streams, like affiliate marketing and sponsorships, to diversify your income. Let's explore some inspiring case studies of successful YouTubers who have harnessed VidIQ to expand their channels. In conclusion, evolving with trends and staying updated with VidIQ is crucial for future success on YouTube.